Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video we're going to be creating a basic vote route so that we can later update it with some actual logic, but for now we're just going to return kind of some static JSON. So to do that we want to come into our routes, and this is going to be a comics route. And the actual route is going to be /comics/vote. So we have to put this before the show page because otherwise it'll just go to /comics/ID because that's a wildcard. I'm just going to put this right after the genre. Call it vote router.post because this is going to be a post route to /vote. Let's do request response. And then all we're going to do right now is response.json, send back some JSON where the message is voted. Because remember, we are not rendering anything with this. The idea is that the user will not have to refresh this whole page. We want them to just be able to click this button, and then it will update things without triggering a full page refresh. So we are not response.rendering anything. We're just sending some JSON. Basically what this is just an API. We're making a very, very simple API that only has one route, but what it allows us to do is to receive a request with some data, use that data, do something, and then return some JSON. So now that we've got that route, let's go ahead and test it with Postman. We haven't used Postman in a while because we haven't had to, but it's still a good tool, especially whenever you're dealing with APIs. So I need to get the the route will be all of this over in Postman. Paste that /vote. We want this to be a post request, so let's send it. See if it works. We got back. What did we get back? Bunch of information about Gorm. Okay, so that did not work as we hoped it would. Look at the raw. Oh, connection refused. I'm not running my server. Derp. Alright, now it's running. Let's send this again, see if it works. There we go. We got back message voted. So that route is working exactly like we want it to. The one thing I want to do before we continue is to add is logged in middleware, because we only want people to be able to vote if they are logged in. They do not have to be the owner of the comic, but they have to be logged in. So we can save that, and now this will not allow us to vote. It'll send us to the login page. Let's see if, can we just see the visualize? Preview, here we go. See, it just sent us back to the login page saying, hey, you gotta be logged in to do that. And that's working exactly like we want it to because we now have is logged in as the middleware. So last step we need to do, and I think I forgot to do this in the last video, is add it to Git. So Git status, then we're just going to Git add both of those, Git commit, add basic vote route, Git push origin master. I think I forgot to push it last time. I know I remember now that I added it, but I think I forgot to push it. Anyway, so that's been pushed and we're good to go. In this video, we did two things. We created a comics post route that we're going to update later with some actual logic. And we tested that with Postman. We made sure it worked, and then after we made sure it worked, we added the is logged in middleware to kind of lock it down. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to help. Thanks.